Children, in continuation with previous video, we are here discussing the structure of the diffusing membrane. So first of all, here it is been mentioned that the diffusion of the carbon dioxide is more than the diffusion of oxygen because the carbon dioxide is 20 to 25 times solubility. The solubility of carbon dioxide is 20 to 25 times more than the solubility of oxygen, so that the carbon dioxide diffuses faster in comparison to the oxygen. Okay, number one. So amount of carbon dioxide diffusion is more than the diffusion of oxygen. Now we are here coming that how many membranes are there through which the diffusion of gases takes place in the alveolar sac. So here it is been mentioned the structure of the alveolar sac. This is one alveoli is shown. This is one alveoli and this is alveolar cavity, and in which the air is coming and moving out. So this is the air which is coming, which is a pure air which will get filled into the alveolar cavity. Now this wall of the alveolar cavity is bounded by the squamous epithelial tissue, and this epithelial tissue is present on the basement membrane. Always there is a basement membrane over which the epithelial cells are present. So this is one layer of epithelial cells and other is what? That is the basement membrane. And now this is the blood vessel. So wall of the blood vessel, which is endothelium, again it is a type of epithelial tissue only. So wall of the blood vessel is also lined by endothelium, and these epithelial cells are also present on the basement membrane. So two basement membrane and two epithelial tissue. Now the gap between these two epithelial layer is the gap in which the alveolar fluid is there. So these are the three layers through which the diffusion of gases takes place. Number one, thin squamous epithelial cells of alveoli. Number two, endothelium of alveolar capillaries, and the basement substances in between them. This is the basement substances, that means two basement membrane and the substance which is filled in between these two epithelial layers. So these are the three. Both the basement membrane are considered as one only and named as basement substances. So squamous epithelial of alveolar, squamous epithelial of blood vessel, and basement substances means both the basement membrane and the substance which is filled in between these two endothelium. So the thickness of these three layers is total thickness is much less than the millimeter. So thickness